Chinamasa must be possessed by evil spirits, demons which made him support Ian Smith and Muzorewa to fight the people. Now he is possessed again to fight against one man, one vote. Chinamasa is spoken, and because he is spoken on matters of liberation history, matters I did not read about in a textbook, but lived, bled, and buried colleagues over, I am compelled to respond. I will do so on the matrix because the merits are sufficient. Chinamasa must remember that his old friends, Ian Smith and Muzorewa, they were fighting against one man, one vote. Sarabina mashoko braita kwabana pa na retired general Skoki Mapranga, vachiziramba, vachiri vana Chinamasa zvavari kuita panguva ino hazvisiri izvo. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. And Ramira Jana Chiti. Comrade Chinamasa has spent a lifetime finding himself on the comfortable side of whoever holds power at any given moment. That is not a liberation credential. That is a survival strategy. He is a sellout. Ivy Kwamzorewa Chinamasa must shut up. He has nothing to teach Zimbabweans about liberation struggle. Chinamasa tells us that the question of how a president is elected, whether directly by the people or by parliament, was never an issue during the liberation struggle. He challenges anyone to produce minutes, archives, speeches from the NDP, ANC, ZAPU, ZANU, ZIPRA, and ZANTLA that debated this question. He presents this absence as evidence that the current Cap 3 proposal to move toward parliamentary election to a president is liberation legitimacy or at least no liberation objection. I want to engage this argument seriously because it deserves to be demolished seriously. The argument contains a fundamental logical error. The liberation struggle did not produce a detailed constitutional blueprint for every mechanism of post-independence governance. It produced a mandate. The mandate has a core, an irreducible center around which everything else organized itself. And that core was this: the people of Zimbabwe shall govern themselves, one man, one vote, the sovereignty of the citizens, the direct, unmediated, unfiltered relationship between the government and the governed and those who govern them. That was not one issue among many during the struggle. That was the issue. That was the entire architecture. Everything else, the flag, the anthem, the name of the country, the structure of parliament, the composition of the cabinet was downstream of that single sacred, non-negotiable principle. When you move the election of a president from the people to parliament, you are not adjusting a mechanism. You are severing that direct relationship. Doma developments anobuda panguva ino tikuona kuti panguva ino zvinhu zvakamira nama. Panguva ino tiona mageneral achijamuka vachiti nhau ye1 man 1 vote ndo nhau yatakaendera kuhondo. Zvimwe sezvamuri kutaura vana Chinamasa, aiwa kazvimiso. Pinda kumasection medu dzafungura enyi muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musawana subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.